most people are paying $20, $50, even $100 per month for AI video generators. But what if I told you there are two tools that do the same thing completely free? No trial period, no credit card required, just pure free access. Now, let me show you. This is the first tool, Hunyuan Video 1.5. And this one is even open source. Now, one thing which we can do here on this website, you can see that this is a video generation model that delivers top tier quality with only 8.3 billion parameters, significantly lowering the barrier to usage. It runs smoothly on consumer grade GPUs. Yes, you guys can also install this one on your computer, making it accessible for every developer and creator. This repository provides the implementation and tools needed to generate creative videos. Now, I'm also going to show you how you guys can access this one completely for free on their website, and down below here that you can also use RTX 4090 and end-to-end generation time is actually reduced by 75% if you have 4090. Now, one thing which you can do here is to go to this website. I will also put this link in the video description down below. Make sure that you first sign in with your account. It's very easy to do so. Just simply select here Gmail and then log in. And once you are here, you will find pretty much a ton of the models this website has to offer. Now, here's the first one, Hunyuan Image 3.1. This is newly launched, and I can show you also how you guys can generate images on this platform. You can of course see that the majority of the website is in Chinese. However, if you click here on English on top, you will be able to pretty much translate a few of the options here on the website to English. And here it says, "Hi, I am Hunyuan Image 3.0 Instruct, a new generation of visual language flagship model based on the hybrid MOE structure." Now, let me show you here a few of the prompts which I will use. For example, this one right here. You can paste it inside a golden retriever running through a sunny park, slow motion. Here you can also upload your reference image if you want to. And then down below you have smart size. I will go here with 16:9. Then here you will have to also upload the image. So pretty much we can go, for example, of this one. Use this cat to generate a 9 square grid emoticon. And right now let's just wait for a few seconds until this Hunyuan will generate me an image. And just in a few seconds, I will also show you how you guys can generate videos on this platform completely for free. And by the way, guys, if you are enjoying this type of content, do me a favor, smash up the like button on this video and subscribe to the channel if you of course haven't already. And now here we already have this image generated here with Hunyuan 3.0. I think it does look pretty cool, this emoticon, and everything is pretty much in Chinese, and I think that the emotions here on this cat are looking pretty funny. Now let me show you guys how to generate videos on this platform completely for free. Simply go here to Tencent Hunyuan, and then here down below you can go down below, scroll, where you will find here the video model, which is right here. So Hunyuan Video 1.5 I2V. You can click on it right here, and you can pretty much here use the current model. So this one is the best one. You can use the resolution here. I think I will go with 480p, and then here we will have to input our video description. So for example, we can do this: steam rising from a hot cup of coffee on a wooden table. This is just simply one of the prompts which I will use here. And then down below we have an image. So you will have to here upload your own image. Now, this is the image I have here uploaded, and then here we also have prompt enhancer, which I will leave turned on, so it will enhance this first prompt which I have here. Now, you can simply click here on generate right now, and this Hunyuan Video 1.5 I2V will do its magic. Of course, you can also change here the resolution up to 1080p if you want to, for even higher quality results. Now, by the way, this is generating the video. I will also show you that Hunyuan has a ton of the other open source models like text to text model. Then we have visual language model, image generation model, as we talked about it before. Then we have video generation model, which we are currently using, 3D generation model, and also motion generation model, which I think all of them are super cool. And you guys can use it completely for free here on this website if you sign in with your Gmail account, for example. And now let's take a look here at this video. Remember, we used here prompt enhancer. So if I click here right now on play, we can also full screen the video. You can see that it looks super realistic. It has this really nice blur behind the cup. And then here we have, unfortunately, the watermark in the bottom right corner. And then if you want, you can also download it by clicking here on this 3 dots. Overall, for the free AI model, I think it's totally enough to pretty much use it in commercial use. If you want, for example, create some ads, maybe even Instagram posts, I think it's really cool to have this option. And now this is the second free AI video generator. You can also generate photos if you want to, but on this website, website, which is Meta.ai, you can see how cool videos are which are being created here with Meta.ai. My opinion, it does look super cool here, and of course super realistic as well. All can be done here for free on this website. Now let me show you here how you guys can generate AI videos on this platform completely for free. Of course, you will have to have an account on this platform, and then simply click here on plus to add media, and I will select here the same image which I used before on Hunyuan video 1.5. So just like this, and then here I will also put in the prompt, steam rising from my hot cup of coffee on a wooden table, and then here I will also add first animate this image. And now here I have animated this image, steam rising from my hot cup of coffee on a wooden table. Let's right now click here on send, and then we will compare which model did actually a better job, Meta.ai or Hunyuan 1.5 video. And now here we also have the video from Meta.ai. I think that this one looks also pretty cool, and it also added here the animation of this book, which also looks pretty cool. And now if I put them side by side, we can right now take a look at both of the videos. Both of them look super realistic, but I think I would give an edge here to the Meta.ai. It does look slightly more realistic, and you guys can also download it if you want to by clicking here on this button, and it will save this video to your computer. Now, on Meta.ai, you can also generate here images. So if you go here, you can click on this, and I will ask here, generate an image of, and here I will paste here the same prompt, so steam rising from a hot cup of coffee on a wooden table. Let's click here right now on send and wait for a few seconds. So we will also see here the output of the image model on Meta.ai. Now, you can clearly see here that the images on this website also look super realistic. Of course, we have here the first example, then here we have the second one. This one looks really cool. Then we have the third one as well, and then the fourth one. And every single one of them, you can pretty much here click this button to download on your computer, and you can even animate them if you want to. And down below you will find here pretty much this custom animate option. If you click on this, you can simply here describe your animation and also add your own music if you want to. Here you can see suggested, trending, or even saved, and then you can apply this to the video on this platform. So overall, these have been pretty much these two free AI video generators, which only require an account, and then you can simply freely use them however you want and how many times you want for generating images as well as videos on both of these two platforms. And by the way, I will also put a link for both of them in the video description down below so you guys can easily access them. And if you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all around in the next one.